Boost your business with Google Ads, a beginner's guide. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses of all sizes are constantly searching for effective ways to attract customers, increase brand awareness, and generate sales. Among the many digital marketing tools available, Google Ads stands out as one of the most powerful. Whether you run a small local shop, an online store, or a growing enterprise, Google Ads can put your products and services directly in front of people actively searching for what you offer. This beginner's guide will walk you through what Google Ads is, why it matters, and how you can use it to boost your business. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is Google's online advertising platform that allows businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, YouTube, Gmail, and across millions of websites in the Google Display Network. Advertisers bid on specific keywords or audiences, and when someone searches for those keywords or matches the targeting criteria, your ad may appear. The platform operates on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This ensures your marketing budget is spent on real engagement rather than just impressions. Why use Google Ads for your business? There are many reasons why businesses from startups to multinational corporations choose Google Ads. 1. Massive reach. Google processes over 8.5 billion searches per day. Your business can tap into this enormous pool of potential customers. 2. Targeted advertising. Ads can be customized based on keywords, demographics, location, interests, and even device type. 3. Cost control. You set your own budget and can adjust it anytime. There are no minimum spending requirements. 4. Measurable results. Google Ads provides detailed analytics so you can see exactly how your campaigns are performing. 5. Quick impact. Unlike organic SEO, which can take months to show results, Google Ads can drive traffic and sales almost immediately. Types of Google Ads campaigns. To maximize your results, it's important to understand the different campaign types available. 1. Search ads. These are text-based ads that appear at the top of Google's search results. For example, if someone searches best bakery near me, a local bakery running, search ads may show up. 2. Display ads. These ads appear on websites within Google's display network. They can include images, banners, and interactive content, helping build brand awareness. 3. Shopping ads. Perfect for e-commerce businesses. These ads showcase product images, prices, and store names directly in search results. 4. Video ads. Shown on YouTube, video ads allow businesses to engage customers with creative storytelling and visuals. 5. App campaigns. Designed for mobile app promotion. These ads appear across Google's platforms to encourage app downloads and usage. How to get started with Google Ads. Step 1. Define your goals. Before launching a campaign, clarify what you want to achieve. Are you aiming for more website visits, sales, leads, or brand awareness? Setting clear goals will guide your ad strategy and targeting. Step 2. Research keywords. Keywords are the backbone of search campaigns. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant terms your potential customers are searching for. Focus on a mix of short tail, broad, and long tail specific keywords. Step 3. Create a Google Ads account. Visit the Google Ads website, sign up, and set up your billing information. Google provides step-by-step guidance for beginners. Step 4. Choose campaign type and targeting. Select the campaign type: search, display, shopping, etc., and set targeting options like location, age group, gender, language, and device. For local businesses, geo-targeting ensures ads only reach nearby customers. Step 5. Write compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. A typical search ad includes headline: grab attention with a strong message. Description: explain what you offer and why it's valuable. Call to action: CTA: encourage users to take the next step, for example, shop now, get a free quote. Step 6. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Decide how much you're willing to spend daily. Google offers different bidding strategies, such as manual CPC, cost per click, or automated options like maximize conversions. Step 7. Launch and monitor. Once your ads are live, track performance. Using Google Ads built-in analytics, pay attention to click-through rate (CTR), conversion rate, and cost per acquisition (CPA). Best practices for success. 1. Start small and scale. Begin with a modest budget to test different campaigns. Once you identify what works, gradually increase spending. 2. Optimize landing pages. Ads are only effective if your landing page delivers. Make sure it loads quickly, is mobile friendly, and aligns with your ad's message. 3. Use negative keywords. Add irrelevant keywords to your negative list to prevent your ads from showing up in unrelated searches. 4. Test and refine. Run A or B tests on ad copy, images, and CTAs. Continuous testing helps improve results over time. 5. Leverage extensions. Google Ads allows you to add extensions, such as phone numbers, location details, and additional site links. These make your ads more informative and clickable. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Targeting too broadly. Casting too wide a net wastes money. Be specific with keywords and audience settings. 2. Ignoring analytics without monitoring performance. You can't improve regularly. Check reports and adjust campaigns. 3. Poor ad copy, weak headlines, or unclear CTAs will fail to attract clicks. 4. Neglecting mobile users. With most searches coming from smartphones, ads and landing pages must be mobile friendly. 5. Setting and forgetting. Google Ads requires ongoing optimization. Never just launch and leave it. The ROI potential of Google Ads. When done right, Google Ads delivers an impressive return on investment. According to industry studies, businesses make an average of $2 in revenue for every $1 spent on Google Ads. By targeting the right audience with the right message at the right time, you can drive measurable growth. For example, a small bakery can use location targeting to reach local customers searching fresh bread near me, while an e-commerce store can use shopping ads to showcase products to buyers worldwide. Final thoughts. Google Ads is not just another marketing channel, it's a powerful growth engine that can take your business to the next level. For beginners, it may seem complex at first, but once you understand the basics of keywords, targeting, and budgeting, the possibilities are endless. Start small, track your results, and continually optimize. With patience and persistence, you can use Google Ads to attract more customers, boost sales, and build a stronger brand presence online. In short, if you want to compete in today's digital-first marketplace, Google Ads is a tool you can't afford to ignore. Thanks for watching.